Uh-oh.
Okay, what the fuck?
What the F? That's a CN Kraus Maffei ML4000, dummy.
Kraus Maffei.
Did someone say German?
Oh shit. So I could say that's an oh shit violation. Buddy, go fuck yourself. That's what she said. You know what? Never mind. What? Just go away. Okay. And you too, Fritz. No one talked to you.
Be gone!
I mean, good, I admit I talked about Germany, but I was referring to Kraus Maffei, who built the ML4000. Got it? Steamer?
Ugh, fine.
Good riddance. Finally, I'm at peace and quiet. Now, after seeing this cursed CM Kraus Maffei ML4000 Photoshop, I have a strong urge to smoke some weed. Oh, never mind. Police, you're arrested! Oh, hell no, I'm out of that. See you next time.